My trip to Sri Lanka wouldn't be a trip to Sri Lanka if I didn't try to take a little ride on a train. On one of these passenger trains here that's famous in this country, I noticed right outside my window, if you look towards the sea, you'll notice every 30 minutes there's a train that goes by. A train that goes by right along the ocean. So basically, there's train tracks for some strange reason in Colombo that stretch all the way down to the southern part of the city, between the city and the ocean, totally cutting off the ocean from any type of businesses or restaurants or promenades. Basically, the railroad has gotten all the good real estate here in this city, and I'm gonna go check out the train and find out why this train got all the good real estate. So off I go, taking the train. I'm heading south. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know how far I'm gonna go for. I'm just gonna walk into the station, buy a ticket, get on the train, and head as far south as I feel like until I get bored enough where I get off, turn around, and come right back. Sounds like a pretty stupid idea, but hey, sometimes stupid ideas are exactly what you need in a day, especially here in Colombo. Got the beautiful Amari Hotel standing tall over top of us like a guardian angel. The Amari, one of my favorite hotel chains in the entire world. It always feels like you're home when you're at the Amari. So here's the train station. Got the tracks down there, the ocean just on the other side of this building. And here's how you get up to the train station, guys. We're on the street here, squiggle, squiggle, straight line, that means crosswalk. And then we're gonna head right up and over, and we should be at the Colombo downtown train station. We'll walk up this overpass here. This goes over the tracks, and in no time we should be here at the downtown Colombo train station. Look at these birds. Look at this crow here. Charlie Crow, Charlie Crow. Right. There's one track. Do we have another track on the other side? Yes, I believe we do. This is what it's all about, guys. Got the train station here. We got the tracks right there. Let's go ride the train here in Colombo, Sri Lanka, with no plan. Just me, the train, and the wind in my face. So this train station here is called Kulupitia. Kulupitia is just across from my hotel, and the station's right along the ocean. This is where you catch the train going north or south. And let's see what it says here. There's the ticket counter. Okay. Hello, sir. I'd like to go to Mount Lavinia.
Yes.
This one. Okay. How much?
40.
40. Okay. I'm in a hurry. There's 40. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Stuti. Okay. I think we're on the train, guys. That's it. Mount Lavinia. Whew. Check this out. Whew. Just like that, we're on the train, guys. Off to Mount Lavinia. So, on the train, it's quite hot in here. It's, right now it's standing room only, and pretty bumpy. Moves around quite a bit. I think I'm spoiled with the rail system in Bangkok. The MRT, BTS doesn't really thrash around like this does, but here we are. It was 40 rupees, which is like 10 cents or 30 cents or something. I'll figure out the trend. I'll figure out the exchange and put it down below, but it's not lots, guys. People use this as a daily commuter. They use it to get to one spot of town to another. And, as you can see, it's absolutely packed. And there's a reason for it. It's good transportation. We're at our first stop here. Not sure what this stop is. I'm trying to get down here and see if I can hang off this train. Can I stand here so I can film? Thank you so much. Third stop. It's getting busier and busier after every stop. It's standing room only here, guys. This is the first time I've ever been on a train that's had a perfect unobstructed view of the ocean. I mean, the real estate that these train tracks sit on is absolutely amazing. And like, this must be some of the best real estate right here in Colombo. I mean, to be right here on the side of the ocean. I mean, why did these train tracks get so lucky to get the best real estate in this entire city? I don't know, but I got a feeling this rail line's been here for a long time. Thank you. This train's so long. I was planning on walking to the front of it. I don't know if I'm gonna get there in time, but it is super long. I mean, it's probably 12 cars. Amazing. I think I'm gonna make it. Think I'm gonna make it. Think I'm gonna make it. Wow. There's the train, guys. About 25-minute ride. Nice and cool in there. There's a nice breeze coming in off the ocean, of course, since the train is 5 feet from the Indian Ocean. Probably some of the nicest views I've ever seen from a train, actually. I mean, it's like going on a train, but you're at the beach. How do you describe that? Sri Lanka, guys. All aboard. That's it. There he goes. This is Mount Lavinia. Mount Lavinia is about 4 or 5 stops just south of where I was staying near the Amari Hotel. Decided to just jump off. Looks like a nice little station with some little bit of shade so you don't have to stand out in the scorching heat. Could take up to half an hour, I guess, for another train to come. I got this ticket here when I originally got on the train. Let's see if this gets me out of the gates here at Mount Lavinia on the south side of Sri Lanka, or the south side of Colombo now. So, right, let's go. Hopefully this is our ticket out of here. Hello, sir. Ticket? Thank you. Hello. One ticket, Kolapitiya?
Next train 3:15.
3:15?
Yeah.
Well, that's not good news. Next train back, 3:15. It's 10 something now. Huh. Well, we got ourselves a little problem, guys. The next train back to where we were going doesn't come for 4 hours. Of course, something would have to happen like that. I guess this next segment is brought to you by ChatGPT. ChatGPT, the place you go for all the answers when you completely fucked up. So, let's go to ChatGPT now. Look at this beach. It's nice. Well, that's it, guys. This is the moment when I knew I'd fucked up. No more trains for 4 hours going back to where I just came from. Looks like it's going to be the Pick Me app, guys. Pick Me. I'm going to take a motorcycle this time, I think. I'm going to take a motorcycle back to the city of Colombo and try to get a little wind in our hair and enjoy the ride. So off we go. All right, well, I've been trying on the Pick Me app for about 20 minutes. I keep getting drivers accepting the contract and then canceling. So they get halfway here and they find another ride and they say, fuck it. So maybe the Pick Me app is charging too much commission, and these guys on their these guys that are running around working will rather take just a drive-by or flag down ride rather than the Pick Me, because Pick Me probably charges them 30% on whatever they're charging me. So don't know, but could just imagine. So it says driver's a minute away. Let's see if this guy shows up. It's the third one that's been 8 minutes away and came all the way on the map, almost to the train station, and all of a sudden, right at the last second, canceled. So not really sure what's going on there, but we're looking for plate number 325. 325. Hello, sir. How are you? We got ourselves a tuk-tuk. I've never been so glad to see a tuk-tuk before in my life. Whew. Okay. We're not going to be stuck at the train station for 4 hours. Wait. Crosswalk, squiggle, squiggle, straight line. Squiggle, squiggle, crosswalk, squiggle, squiggle, straight line. There you go. Thank you.